Looking for a compact welding fume extractor that's powerful, certified and easy to use? Meet the MonoPlus W3 from Air Service, your W3 certified mobile solution. It's compact, easy to move and perfect for light and medium welding tasks. With a 1.1 kV AC motor, it keeps airflow steady at up to 1,100 cubic meters per hour, day after day with minimal maintenance. The cartridge filter, W3 certified, with over 99% separation efficiency and cleaned in seconds without removing it. Safety comes standard: spark trap, pressure gauge and clogging indicator. One extractor, 3 ways to work. With a 3-meter arm, with a flexible hose, or as the Mono Bench, with 1,400 cubic meters airflow and 2 table sizes, it's perfect for training centers and workshops. Robust, versatile, ready to work. This is the MonoPlus W3 by Air Service, specialists in industrial air extraction.